Welcome back to the Grow Your Daycare podcast. I am your host, Christina Rizakos. Today's quick 5-minute episode highlights the number one mistake I see daycare owners make on their websites and how fixing it can boost trust and get you more inquiries. So, the mistake explained. The number one mistake, it's no clear, compelling messaging above the fold. So what is the fold? The fold is, let's say you are on a mobile device. And by the way, you need to make sure that you are optimizing your site to be mobile friendly. So it is the top part of the screen before you start scrolling down, okay? So that's the above the fold. So there is no clear or compelling messaging found in that little section. What do I mean? When a parent lands on your site and they are on a mobile device, they need to immediately see who you are, where you are, what makes you special, and how they can contact you. If they have to scroll, search, click, go through different pages, forget it. They will leave because people have a really low attention span, okay? Think of your homepage like your front door. Is it welcoming? And is it obvious? Okay. So after you finish listening to this episode, go ahead or whip out your smartphone right now and then just do that little audit, that little check. Okay. Now, how do you fix it? First, I want you to craft a clear headline. So these are just examples. You don't have to write what I'm telling you right now. These are just quick examples. Okay. Quality care and learning for children ages 1 to 5 in, let's say, your city, Montreal. Or something that states your mission and where you are. Okay, really important. People want to be able to kind of envision where your facility is or where your home daycare is. Okay. The second is use a great hero image. So a real photo of your facility or children, if the parents have given you consent, obviously, and not stock if possible. Okay. So I know that a lot of providers and center owners are not really, at least the clients that I've worked with, are not really people that want to be in front of the camera. But I think that it is just so important that people that are scrolling the internet and land on your website can actually see the face behind the business. So forget about stock photography. There is a place for that. You can put it on your other marketing material, but we're really just focusing on the above the fold. So if you have a really nice picture, let's say, of your facility, the outside part of it, snap a picture, clear it up, maybe run it through some filters and use that. If you have a really nice picture of yourself, let's say you have an in-home and you're doing circle time with the kids, and you get somebody to snap a picture of that, the kids are having a good time and you're kind of teaching and maybe reading a book, that's an excellent idea as well, okay? But try not to use stock photography, especially at the above the fold level. Third, include your call to action clearly. People need to be told what to do next if they like what they see, okay? So example, schedule a tour, enroll now, contact us, and make sure that the button is visible without scrolling. Again, above the fold, the top part without scrolling down. Fourth, highlight your unique selling points near the top. Maybe you have small classes, small ratios, maybe you have extended hours, bilingual staff, fantastic outdoor play area, extracurricular activities, vegetarian meals, organic menus, whatever that is, use bullet points or icons so they're easy to scan, and mention that at the top above the fold again, okay? So here's a bonus as well if you really want to get into it. Check what parents want. So ask a current parent to open up your site and tell you what their first impression is. This is an excellent way for you to get real feedback from real clients. Where do their eyes go? What do they understand? Was it confusing? Was it simple? Was it easy? Okay. And then you can use tools like a Hotjar or simple heat maps, or even just Google Analytics to see how long people stay and how far they scroll. You can actually see this inside your Google Analytics. It's free to sign up. All you need is a Gmail, and then you can link your website to this. And then Google is going to send all the data, anyone that visits your website, how long they stay, where they scroll, the pages that they clicked and whatnot, directly in your Google Analytics. And then you can go see and you can see, is there a problem with my homepage? Are people finding me on social media? Are they finding me through organic search, right? There's a lot of data that you can check, but just for our episode today, you can actually see if they actually, when they land on your homepage, if they scroll down, if they stay or if they just click away immediately. And that kind of gives you, it gives you an idea as to what you have to fix, okay? So message and headline, great visuals, a visible call to action, and highlighting what makes you, your center, your program, your facility unique. Fix those and you'll reduce bounce rates and get more tour requests. If you want help auditing your website or with your online marketing, we have a few ways that we can work together. The first is our school community, especially if you are someone that's running an in-home and you don't have the budget to be spending on marketing agencies. This is the place for you. $37 a month. You can try it out for free. The link is in the show notes. If you are someone that is running a small center and you do have the budget to invest in ads and outsourcing your marketing because you just do not have the time to take care of this, on your own, then we actually offer a few ways we can work together. The link is in the show notes as well. You could go ahead, click on that, book a free call, and then we'll take it from there. Other than that, have an amazing rest of your day, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the next episode directly in your podcast. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye for now.